Ebusianfo, John Dumelo, a deputy minister of Agric. John Dumelo, that's a Obia Penasem, and Mr. Mipe John Dumelo Asem. Now, as deputy minister of Agric, no, John Dumelo, Yehuso, we are not seeing any effect. I was at Agric ministry, no. Sometimes, I have issues with some of our parliamentarians because Mikaipa said when the current minister of Agric, when the current minister of Agric was undergoing vetting, na MPP for now more for including Afenyo marking. They were like, oh, who they anymore? Ajumu dopa, and so yes, Shako, and so but Ajuman MPP4. And now me say, oh, okay. The way even Afenyo marking and co are praising this man there, there is something special about the man. Ebushan for 1 year in our Greek sector, no show. No show. Say there, John Dumelo, he has moved from a Greek ministry no aqua transport. Now transport no so akoye no Bawumia buses. Bawumia inspired buses. That today John Dumelo is seeing the worth of. Electric buses are through the initiative of Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, aka number 3, aka the soon coming president, no. And saw electric buses, no, and John Dumelo di Gini Ding. Saw electric buses, and no, and John Dumelo, and the Gini Ding, and Ayawaso West, no. Haja Jollof is saying, and net. We are all seeing, say, NDC for a way will not have achieved anything. But you want to drop it a tear emoji now. Open so say me live now, mamma now. Me block you. Science had to be me blocking, Bajo. If so, power tap, likes no background, power tap screen so. Or be unlike you report live no. See John Dumelo saying here, oh yeah, a transport minister. And he's enjoying Bawumia effect. Now, Bibia enjoy Bawumia effect, Biano, indirectly, a campaign ma Bawumia. It is John Dumelo did to say, Segana Beko anima, through the initiatives of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and his boss, Akufuado. Okay? So, John Dumelo, thank you for joining the winning team. Thank you for doing campaign for the winning team. I saw how you were smiling, how you were happy seeing electric bus. Now, when you say electric bus, no, cheaper. Cheaper. They will tell you, way cheaper. Cheaper than the current bus that we have in the system. Ni ye mo say grow up, okay? Ni ye mo will not grow up. Into now who grow up, no? Well, we grow up, no, and our 186 followers, and I will follow 1,177. Penny, sorry. Let's move from John Dumelo. Yanko,
Rita, uni you come out China and America sing. Into no matter
Mama Kramo.
Okay.
I had the idea Chinasi, I did think
Yes, so Bono East.
So I think within the day we'll get in touch.
All right.
Sure.
Bro.
Thank you so much.
Bro. Good job.
Good night, okay?
All right.
Enti etiefo amutie Kenofori task who kwete say ye kan baby say Kenofori areas ka mumbi so say ska hin na we are ombeja ka
Ahe.
we are no be so omunya ka to say fa na bra na say be so say charge seat ben court ben and pronounce Kenofori wanted the no internet say omukotwene de ne ba because as we speak they started with cathedral and omedeba SML yeah Wycliffe class about church you know but without with all that has been said the ameme person me last me actually we last argument
and that at least Akufo-Addo regime wants to give the chance opportunity to everybody. That is why when we came, we brought free senior high school so that everyone who is willing to be a person
video no crana me see me the best
and go to school.
John Dumelo.
John Dumelo no etumi enya homa ade na NDC was say enye no. Well, we say yetumi de yeden. Yetumi de Sankro. Now let me clap for the hostel for them. And I start training. What person you share make beautician. And we saw it live in Ghana. After just about 3 months, drivers are not moving as they supposed to move. Like this one behind me. And this was so there be almost the petrol to drive Ayawaso buses. Me and Kasami now for me adwuma. Even the passenger car here 15 seaters. On free rate hospital. I can drive it. Sometimes 4 hours, 5 hours in traffic. Now, Sebio, Mwankasamu City News. That's only I can drive. But this lady, to get a car home these days, because of an MPP initiative, and this Nino Ojinawa O defending. Ojina driving 3 hours. A whole Ayawaso bus. The extent say. Dr. Bawumia every school and the wife were carried in the bus for a very long distance to show Ghanaians that these people are quite the distress. Free school by Ebukura Undidi Ebushanfo Obikura Befa who crave Yakodana Obikura Befa Krama and the body last time have you seen, sir? And this or NBC they are the person tell me. And videos ni Google Abonteno. We are reliably informed. Just in a year from sources. Yes, we queue at the lobby stations. But now 1 year 1 year of John Mahama. Uko Kromisa and still tell me by Papa. And a hostel looks like empty. Correct.
James, I've picked you several times. I don't know how you
are
keep
not able
dropping.
to get the car to go home. Unya can't find coffee. And yet you are saying, say,
I've picked you. I don't know you dropping. Oh, James, I've picked you and you keep dropping.
James,
I have seen firsthand.
Onu nimbebi a mefirme kasa frijan ehon network enye easy nyata me play ade na o
so that's why I said that when I meet
me problem sorry voice of the woman ya bebre but o emi ni aba ese me ba ne but me babia on papa ma gina so sa na network akeko
sorry James
no, because my picking oh, can voice wa ha uncle me ya pra.
Obi kachem say obo me din na obi kachem say say banya nye ready akola. Me yesa me kata na o drop it.
Dabi.
Me drop it. O network na me drop it.
Rate about you James say me pa cho.
That is what MPP government tried solving.
Obaso on kasa. These days, Nkophobia be frame or full page now on Kasau. Now
they are going back to sleeping on the streets.
However, we know any ideas because I idea also know a Juma or Yadi Abuan intimacy. Say Ube order was submission in the basins our back on not Quabenambre. Now
automatically
disqualified.
Senior, thank you. James, Mr.
White, this is Oba Zamba.
So why I say hook up
Member says Zang dear.
So by Papa,
yes, I have an in-law. Baby, I have a family
sister. Yeah, you be kind say
who can?
Yeah, banya abotre.
And I this our hostess.
Yeah, we. Na me dey me say free teach my.
Sounds so
spiritual.
On your
mind.
Who is spiritual body?
On your mind, a choir, which my day.
That is what is going on now.
Baby, I said the 1 hour you're trying to 4 hours. You know, say something from quantity are 40 something a million. I say
240 no.
240
$1 million.
Hey, no, be because baby at for on the a bab.
Yes, I'll pick you soon. I'll pick you in about 10 minutes. I'll be seeing me Jantra. I'm sending me lorry from you see, sounds how about wow, we are single.
That should be over now. Baba standing MPB.
And that is about Papa Niesa.
Hey, afterwards,
second independence.
The most controversial set of human desire.
Canada, Japan, or Baba say and so they'll be in Japan. Officer,
a beautician, a new technician.
No, yeah, day.
What's it? Said that you be no say idea. Papa no say any Pabonini. That you go. Share at some point yourself. On one
before anything comes out. Before anything comes out,
you know, he told the story, but that's not the
every go
ne papa mbada oso
it goes to
oso pa be omo number 50. Wow. Ono mo choose say ono no nko mo nkunu na mo manko.
Ministry of Education, including the minister Idrisu.
Or your bad say for na since you dey call say omo aye e bia mo send delegate say
some of them
asem na uko abato na asena ukonya wo asem bia obi amfa ho amani pa bia bo hu say onfa na nkwa enko ye the message say obi anko nde nyina baby amako nyina makasa asem bi ne nso obi ba on ti de America na ase omo nte politics obi ba na abeka de opeda bi
it requires
adie no ma nipa bi ka enne ma ye lucy no
and you me hu say US say no
MPP no me kai say na me koye me masase bi pepe na nipa akoye ade no ma me no oye MPP nipa o ka kirem say ono de na ade be tima ya no so nko ase na obi akokunu na ono de on man na bi we NDC or MPP or office on the onkoye MPP no bi akokunu nti saa nimpa no ono ne yire ne mba nyina o man koto
mistake
nti saa na Canada Japan saa ye ne say nti omo delegate obi hia mende e ka kirem say na me ka chense o bibiansi na unim me ka chense abato ye to aba bibiansi ye kaya na BBC nti wo de akoto na kofi koda ya kaya omo mbeka ene so beka nti obi a o delegate bia mesran say obi a tiamia mo bia ndada ne say wo kwa ase antoko besi wo kwa
senior high school
ne kan no ana ya antoko tati wo de akoto na ye nhwe ne kan no na ye be kwa akokan ne ye be nti madam wasi be ma akura mama na sita ma be me beda.
Sorry.
Sam George,
this is a notification.
Sam George, you focus.
Thank you so much.
Sam George, you tankan. Oh, I
can't say Kenya Japan. Obia, or Shako Soprano, or Yen and Kuku to so better say a friend is saying, Adi, all we are so at first, you are from
men of God.
Wow,
Catholic bishops,
Methodist
bishops,
from so
Presbyterian bishops. Susuma sorry for
papa way.
Are you seeing what is happening?
No, Uncle, yeah, I'm sorry. Any seven now, any man teachers say, or more campaign, Macan Japan say, Can Japan,
so when last year, telling you say Ghana, they are organizing freaky parties.
Japan. Sa papa we.
I say where is the albino? Moses for any Moses what?
Sebi one watch say. Say yanko to amba mamu. Na brabeli di MPP. First yanim. Na pengu. Chese sa papa we Kenya Japan. Yadini babe pase dia MPP Frybera. Anka sebi MPP delegate. Anka Jimmy papa. Anka Jimmy the sense anka minimu dia MPP dia anka minimu. But Nakupon Pengu, Saken Japan, or not 20% na Nakupon a dicheno. Sani Pawi, the same Kotu Abamano. Bawumia Wahon Mas, Sebis on Yansania, Nyansa Aboni Bay. The same Kotu Abama Kene Japan, Omwe Dikene Japan, Echikrabu, just a me dodging and one, Mintia said to the sense, O Sika, Jimmy 4 way Sika, just a me who dear have a panel. Sebi. Oba kra no na oba kra ontumi ware. Oba chese no ntino oba
Udin the Ken a Japan speaker. Are you coming to speak for Kennedy Japan?
Aden. Sa nipa we. You say first yento abama Kennedy Japan. Sa nipa we Kennedy Japan minimum na chase from Tesano. Ni fie bi otoye. Ye me aya otaba me mama nchen. Betwa bo me mama nchen. Baby a Kennedy Japan onim mama onim papa onim we family sa nipa we do
Dinia Felix obisi obekasa ma Kennedy Japan send lion
sorry say me interrupt mo sa akwa Kennedy Japan you shouldn't pick him mama pick no.
On sending lion first. Yes, come.
Sending lion crowd be fan. Mr. Uncle baby omoye campaign.
We are delegate sending lion.
Uncle baby aye campaign ma Kennedy. Na uncle.
Omu ni munyansa. Omu ni
don't need. We dey sorry you come.
No need. Yeah, very. I can't say. Momo wants to the crowd to say na lion. Forget the machine so say lion. Minimum no. On that case MPP for the Bawumia, that guy.
Tell me so to me send the lion. What am I supposed factories into but you so prove say who was the cancer na yapi.
Yeah, I no need me patro and so I na ka me pick you up me yes